Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can hack Pokemon Go and have a joystick in the game. This joystick will be available if you follow my steps. This will help you to move around at any place. Now, I'll show you how you will get this joystick. I hope you like this video and you follow my steps. This is 100% sure that you will get the joystick, but this is for only Marshmallow. It will not work on any other Android versions. So we'll start now. First, go to the Play Store and download Fly GPS. Actually, you have to write Fly GPS, but it will come like fake GPS. Download that app. Open that app, go to settings. You will directly open the developer option. If you have not got access to your developer option, you can see my previous video in which I have shown how to unlock the developer option. Now in the developer option, there is a mock location app option. Click on that and click on Fly GPS. Now go back. It will show you your place, where are you exactly sitting. Now if in Pokemon Go you want to go to, suppose I am going to Cable Chalk. Please select the menu, click on that, click on GPS run, then click on joystick location Pokemon. Here you have got your joystick. Now open Pokemon Go. You have to see that you doesn't go back. I have made a mistake there. Here now click. I am repeating the steps. There is the joystick and click on Pokemon Go. There is a problem in my game, but in your game it will work definitely. Try this if you like this video.